Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make this elastic bracelet. The materials you'll be needing to make this bracelet are 8mm beads, a connector that is 2 inches, bead stopper, clear stretch cord, I'm using 0.8mm, E6000 glue, toothpick, and scissors. So let's get started. The first thing that we're going to do is take our clear stretch cord and cut the length that you want the bracelet to be and a few more inches for the knots. So since my bracelet is 7 inches, I'm going to cut 11 inches. After you cut your clear stretch cord, you're going to start putting in your beads. So I'm going to put all my beads first, and then my connector. If you want, you could use a bead stopper, which I'm going to use, but if you feel comfortable without a bead stopper, you could do that as well. So after you're done putting on your beads and your connectors, we're going to start making the knot. So first you're going to take your bead stopper off if you have it on. First we're going to create a regular tie. Now we're going to do a serge knot, which is the simple knot that you just did, but you have to go under twice. And then we're just going to do the regular tie again, which is under once. Take some glue and apply it to our knot so it'll be more secure. And you want to let it dry. After it's dry, you're going to cut the excess. Thank you guys for watching this video of how to make this bracelet. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button. Please subscribe to get notified when I post videos. And comment down below for more jewelry or craft suggestions. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!